Before buying LED headlight bulbs, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Many bulbs may look similar, but there's a hidden difference that impacts your safety and visibility at night. Product number 1, Terminator 9005 HB3H11H8H9 Combo. The Terminator 9005 HB3H11H8H9 LED bulbs combo caught my eye immediately because of its insane 150,000 lumens brightness and small size. At $99.94, it's a bit on the pricier side, but if you want unparalleled visibility while driving, this is worth a serious look. With such brightness, you can easily spot obstacles from a distance, giving you that much-needed reaction time. The 6500K color temperature mimics daylight, making it way easier to see the road clearly. Plus, with a lifespan of 70,000 hours and an advanced cooling system, these bulbs are built to last. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You won't be changing bulbs every year, saving you both time and money. Now, some people complained about the installation being tricky due to its compact size. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the plug-and-play design makes it much easier than traditional bulbs, especially if you're familiar with DIY projects. This is perfect for you if you want maximum brightness for night driving without the hassle of frequent replacements. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with a little bit of installation work. Overall, it offers great value for what you get. Now, if that price point bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Terminator Brightest H139008 bulbs. The Terminator Brightest H139008 LED bulbs is a fantastic choice that comes in at only $39.99. It promises a whopping 80,000 lumens of brightness, which is 10 times brighter than standard bulbs. If you're after an upgrade that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth your attention. The advanced beam pattern ensures you won't blind oncoming traffic while still illuminating the road ahead effectively. With over 85,000 hours of service life, you can count on these bulbs to illuminate your drives for years to come. Here's why this matters for you. A longer lifespan means fewer replacements and less hassle, especially if you drive frequently at night. However, some users mention that the brightness may not be as noticeable in well-lit areas. Here's the thing though, if you primarily drive in darker environments, the difference will be night and day. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice performance. Skip this one if you mainly drive in urban settings with streetlights where the need for such brightness is less critical. Honestly, it's a solid value for what you're spending. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something slightly more powerful. Product number 3, SEALIGHT S7 SH11 9005 LED bulbs. The SEALIGHT S7 S LED bulbs are priced at $116.79, but for good reason. With an impressive 120,000 lumens, these bulbs are designed for serious illumination. If you're looking for a high-performance solution, this one's definitely worth checking out. With an IP68 waterproof rating, you can trust that they'll perform in all weather conditions. Plus, they boast a lifespan of over 60,000 hours, meaning you won't have to think about replacements for quite a while. Here's why this matters for you. You can tackle any night drive with confidence, knowing you have reliable lighting to guide your way. On the downside, some users found the installation process a bit complex, especially if your vehicle has tight spaces. However, most reported that once everything is set up, it's smooth sailing from there. This is perfect for you if you frequently drive in diverse weather conditions and want reliability. Skip this one if you prefer something more straightforward to install right out of the box. All in all, it offers impressive value for the quality. Now, if the price tag of the SEALIGHT bothered you, let's check out another strong contender. Product number 4, HWSTAR5X7 LED headlights. Next up are the HWSTAR5X7 LED headlights, retailing at $89.99. These are compatible with a wide range of vehicles, making them a popular choice for many drivers. If you're looking for an all-around upgrade for your older vehicle, this is worth considering. What's great is the beam pattern is designed to eliminate blind spots, ensuring you can see the road clearly without blinding oncoming traffic. Plus, the IP67 waterproof rating means they can handle any weather condition. Here's why this matters for you. The visibility upgrade is night and day, especially if you're driving in rural areas with minimal street lighting. However, some users reported they had to make minor adjustments to fit their specific vehicle models. But honestly, that's a small price to pay for such significant improvements in safety and visibility. This is perfect for you if you're looking to upgrade older headlights for better performance. Skip this one if you need a direct plug-and-play solution without any tweaks. In terms of value, it's hard to beat these headlights. Now, if you're looking for something compact and easy to install, let's wrap up with our final product. Product number 5. OXILAM H49003 LED bulbs. Last but certainly not least, we have the OXILAM H49003 LED bulbs priced at just $32.99. This is a fantastic option if you want brighter lights without emptying your wallet. If you're looking for a quick and easy upgrade, this might be the one for you. The 6500K white light offers crystal clear visibility, essential for safe nighttime driving. Moreover, with a lifespan of 60,000 hours, you're set for quite a while. Here's why this matters for you. The combination of brightness and longevity means you're not just getting a quick fix but a long-term solution. On the downside, there are reports of flickering in some vehicles, which can be a concern. This is perfect for you if you want to upgrade your headlights without the hassle of complicated installation. Skip this one if you're driving a vehicle that's known for compatibility issues. For the price, the performance is truly impressive. So we covered 5 fantastic LED headlight bulbs: the bright Terminator combo, the budget-friendly Terminator H13, the high-performance SEALIGHT, the robust HWSTAR, and the easy-install OXILAM. Each offers unique benefits tailored to different needs and budgets. Choose based on what fits your driving style best and drive safely out there.